currently old ladder, new ladder, 3 boxes. I don't know what is in all of the boxes. It's like Christmas Day. These are the poles here in this box. There should be a smaller box with some screws for the ladder, which I've not found yet. I did get feet in here, which I didn't expect, but we need the screws. So it must be, this one is empty, so I'm going to bring this box to the porch so there's any confusion. Old sweater. Alright, making progress. Kind of. Better legs. I'm gonna have to empty this one. Alright. Tuesday. Pre-video.